Also, the Crow pointed out to us this TECS, which is a short on the technology sector. A while back, we talked about TECL, which is the inverse. That's the positive bull version. So we've added TECS, which is a bear on the technology sector, and we want to look a little bit more detail. In the past, we've used FNGU and FNGD to long and short the FANG stocks, and it looks like this is a little bit different. The components are a little bit different and may be a better opportunity for a broader longing or shorting of the technology sector. So thank you again, the Crow, for pointing out TECS to us. So first I want to look at this TECS and TECL in a little more detail versus FNGU and FNGD. So if we look at this TECS and TECL, they're now in our Google Sheet under technology. So you can see 3x bull, 3x bear. You can see the risk reward profiles of TECS. You can see it's pretty close to its 52-week low, which is its bottom. Actually, we'll talk about TECS, the entry point, in more detail tomorrow. But I would use the top in TECL, which has got a little bit of room to determine an entry point in TECS. I wanted to look at the actual components of TECL, which are going to be the same as for TECS. So you can see in the notes section, you can find the link to the ETF database profile for any of these ETFs. So the definition, etc. Another thing that's interesting is this is market cap weighted. And what I want to do is I want to compare that to FNGU. So we've been in the past, we've used FNGU and FNGD to long or short the mega cap TECS, the FANG stocks. So I want to compare TECL and TECS to the FNGU. So another point is this strategy is equal weighted. So FNGU is equal weighted. TECS is market cap weighted. And if we look at their actual holdings, this is a little broader. You can see it's heavy in Microsoft, Apple, NVIDIA, but it also has things like Broadcom, Adobe, Salesforce, Oracle, even like IBM and Qualcomm. Whereas the FNGU, if we look at the holdings, it has Tesla, Apple, Facebook, Google, Baba, Amazon, Baidu. So it's got, some Chinese exposure. I do not know why it still is showing a holding in Twitter. But as you can see, it's current as of November 16th. They're showing a holding in Twitter. I don't know why that is. So again, these have slightly different weighting, slightly different composition. So I think it's interesting whether you're trying to short specifically like the Magnificent Seven, the FANG stocks, long or short. That would be FNGU, FNGD, whereas again, a little bit broader technology sector. I think the TECS, TECL pair might be more interesting. So again, I think it's important to understand the weightings and the composition, the holdings, to determine which of those pairs is better for trading, long or short the technology sector with some leverage. Again, these are all 3x leveraged ETFs, so they're meant for more shorter term trading. But again, we'll talk in more detail. We're going to be looking for opportunities. If we get an exuberant run in technology, at this point, I'm a little bit. I find TECS more attractive in the broader holding and less risk versus the Magnificent Seven, just the FANG holdings, because I think people are going to continue to pour into those Magnificent Seven FANG stocks, particularly towards the end of the year. And we've talked about that to some degree. Okay, look, TECS, which is a bear ETF on the technology sector. In part one, again, we looked at the details, the composition of TECL, which is the inverse. It's the bull 3x on the technology sector. So I would watch for a top or resistance for TECL to hit a top or resistance level to determine the entry of TECS. And again, yesterday we looked at the composition of TECL. We looked at its profile in the ETF database and compared it to FNGU, which is another leveraged ETF on the FANG stocks. And so we prefer right now, given the diversity and the weighting factors, we're looking to short the technology sector on a pop, a peak, using TECS. And thank you again to the Crow for pointing out TECS to us. And again, in part one, we'd recommend you go view that to look at the analysis of the components of TECL versus FNGU and why we're currently preferring TECS to FNGD, which again is the inverse of the FNGU leveraged ETF. Again, we're watching TECS. You can see it's just been declining. And again, the entry point to determine when to enter TECS is the top of TECL. So I have that here in my watch list so I can watch TECL so we could see its peak is about 60.96. So it's got some room to test its previous top. We can see that resistance level has been steadily going up, gapped up a couple times. So if we do see a exuberant surge in TECL, then we would use that to determine our entry point into TECS. And again, you can hear more about our thesis and more detail about what's in TECL and why we like it versus, again, FNGU in part one of our weekly trading game plan for this week. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level
allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.